Welcome to the heart of Lancaster, where every student's dream comes true at Cable Street. Nestled in the vibrant heart of Lancaster city centre, Cable Street offers a range of non-ensuite rooms catering to every student's needs. Each room is equipped with a comfortable bed and a designated study area featuring a desk, chair, and shelving unit. Step outside your bedroom and discover convenient amenities like secure bike storage, a serene corridor ideal for unwinding, and a reliable post and parcel service. Plus, enjoy the convenience of private laundry facilities for fresh clothes at your fingertips. With the University of Cumbria and Lancaster University just a stone's throw away, you'll never miss a lecture. After college, grab groceries from Sainsbury's or savor a tasty Chinese meal from Tasty Wok. On weekends, experience the local scene at the Bobbin or the Three Mariners in Lancaster. Explore the city's rich culture by visiting landmarks like Lancaster Castle or Williamson Park, easily accessible by bus from Chapel Street. Immerse yourself in Lancaster's royal culture while enjoying the comfort of your second home at Cable Street Student Accommodation. Head over at amberstudent.com and secure your stay today.